Hello and welcome to Nahla Valley on the ancient Assyrian hills of motherland Mesopotamia in northern Iraq, and today we are making alcohol. That's where we put our grapes, and that's how it comes through here, this tube. Distilling methods from our own grapes that we grow here for many years. Ooh, it smells amazing, but even the smell can make you drunk. We love alcohol that we produce ourselves, and we drink it and celebrate life every day. Ancestral technology method, our grandfathers and great-grandfathers have always produced it in this way. We're happy to have our own production. Little, but enough. Yeah, here are the brothers. We sit under the tree and observe in case something goes wrong, so we're near. It's arak, raki. We put water, becomes wide because there is anise in it. And soon we will be eating pomegranates with the drink that we drink. Cheers and good health to you.
Cheers.